Shalom, shalom, shalom. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you join us from. The mission accomplished. Zion City, Ugwu, Chineke. We have finally moved to Anambra State. God sent me for people of Ugwu, all Biafrans. We've been fighting. I was sent to Anambra 2006. I was in Norka Bakalike Street, where I was building mountain before COVID-19. A lot of stories. I came back to Lagos. That was 2020. So this 24, I am so much happy to fulfill the dream. So we finally moved to Anambra State. So we're in the People's Club, Onitsha. So from there, we're going to move with our own permanent site. See, let me tell you, how many of you have talked something that I want to do this, and then they will not be able to do it? If you think it's easy for you to announce something, we have been saying this thing for many years, I will be able to accomplish it. You think it's a small fight, it's not. This is a big fight. Many kingdoms have been destroyed. For this thing to be possible, you have to fight. All those fights have been fighting. Killing witches and wizards, you think it's a joke? No, it's not a joke. Mission accomplished. I will have won the battle. You can look at the page now, you can see all those my battle is within light and darkness and within the church and the evil men and evil tradition. I'm not against evil tradition. I'm not against Christ. But I'm against deceive. I'm against worshipping idol, maybe Mary or white Jesus, because Jesus was a black man. So I'm against you saying in a moment in a boom mother, in a walk, in a monkey, in a monkey, like AK heat, a walk, and yes, with all those evil they do, putting our people. I shed tears when I was in Igbo land, June. June is when I did the first program. So this is 1 month of the program. So another one is coming. Every last Saturday of the month is called Dr. Chukwu Kadibe Agwondoya Yahweh Open Heaven Night of Praise. There will be signs and wonders, there will be healing, there will be deliverance, there will be miracles, there will be blessings, favor, upliftment, and men will receive power. The pastors, apostles, evangelists, prophet and prophetess will receive power to do the work of God. So first and foremost, I want to appreciate all my sons and daughters all over the whole world, my partners all over the whole world, to my top fans, to everyone who have been supporting this movement with anything, whether you're sharing, whether you're making good comments, whether you're giving money, whether you're whatever way you have supported us, that way too way have taken us a long way, and making the kingdom of darkness know that Yahweh is mightier than on any other power that can challenge Chukwu Kadibia, Chukwu Okoke, Chukwu Kadibia Wondoya. Quick one, God bless everyone. I want to appreciate all my sons and daughters, those who love what we are doing, those who have me at their heart. I want to pray for you today. That business you've been doing before that is not moving, because we have moved from city to another city. You're going to go from anywhere. You're in Nigeria, you're going to move to America. You're in America, you're going to tour the whole world. I'm here as an apostle and a prophet, an angel. I have 1.16 million angels. In the existence of mankind, no man on earth have such angels. And no man have reviewed the words I have reviewed, and no man have preached what I have preached from the existence of mankind. If you try it, you die. I am in a special assignment. My assignment is to liberate the world. And you, because you're my friend and you're keeping Sunday, zone. Week 1. I want to pray now. Father, thank you for making this dream, this covenant to come to pass. I say, 1,000 miles started with a step. We have been able to conquer many demons in Lagos State, in Abuja, in Port Harcourt, in Anambra State, in East, West, North, and South. So I'm here to tell you that I belong to Yahweh Family Covenant Altar of Fire, the most powerful altar in the world. David Yahweh don't associate with occultism. David Yahweh Chukadibia don't associate with idol people. David Yahweh Chukadibia don't associate with marine kingdom people. David Yahweh does not associate with occultic pastors and occultic prophets and occultic reverend father. I'm here to do the will of God. God told me that Lagos is Egypt, Anambra State, Imo State, Enugu State, Abia State, Owele, Delta State, all Biafran land, Port Harcourt, these are the holy land of the Most High. I'm here to do what I call to do. Know that the word is saying, word of God is saying that the world will reject you, us, because we are not of this world. I'm from third heaven. Our preaching is not of this world. That's why you will never love it. You can see the miracle. You can see the signs and wonder. You can see bright eye open. You can see death, next to death.